Greetings 5th grade. Welcome to lesson number 4 in distance learning music class. So like I said, today we're going to need our recorder again, and we're going to jump right in with recorder stuff. So make sure you have this ready to go. If not, pause the video and come back to it, and I'll just wait here for you. If you have it ready, let's do it. So I'm going to play something, I want you to play it back to me. Again, I'm going to start with this low la, 2 fingers on the right hand and 3 on the left hand. Just a nice straight line up. I'm going to play that again. I'm going to start where I ended and go back down the other way. Okay, so if you're a visual person and you like to see things, because I usually have things up on my whiteboard, remember we're using these 4 notes: our low E or low la, our G, which is do, A, which is re, and B, and that's our mi. So again, I'm going to start on the low note, and I'm just going to walk up playing this rhythm. Listen. Now I'm going to go back the other way. So we talk about strategies and melody a lot in class. So what you just heard was a straight line up and then a straight line down strategy from the song that we listened to last time, Little Johnny Brown. I'm going to play that again for you, and I want you to try to identify where this happens in the song. The up one, and then the down one. Now, a lot of the song is very similar. Let's see if you can catch on to where just those 2 patterns are.
Little Johnny Brown, lay your comfort down. Little Johnny Brown, lay your comfort down. For one corner, Johnny Brown, fold another corner, Johnny Brown, fold another corner, Johnny Brown, fold the last corner, Johnny Brown. Take it to a friend, Johnny Brown, take it to a friend, Johnny Brown. Show them emotion, Johnny Brown, show them emotion, Johnny Brown. Join in the motion, Johnny Brown, join in the motion, Johnny Brown. Lope like a buzzard, Johnny Brown, lope like a buzzard, Johnny Brown. Little Johnny Brown, lay your comfort down. Little Johnny Brown, lay your comfort down. Fold one corner, Johnny Brown, fold another corner, Johnny Brown, fold another corner, Johnny Brown, fold the last corner, Johnny Brown. Take it to a friend, Johnny Brown, take it to a friend, Johnny Brown. Show them emotion, Johnny Brown, show them emotion, Johnny Brown. Join in the motion, Johnny Brown, join in the motion, Johnny Brown. Lope like a buzzard, Johnny Brown, lope like a buzzard, then sit down. Little Johnny Brown, lay your comfort down. Little Johnny Brown, lay your comfort down. For one corner, Johnny Brown.
Did you hear those ideas in there? Little Johnny Brown, me, re, do, la, right? So every time they had that beginning idea, that's where it happened. And you're probably wondering, what does lope like a buzzard mean? Well, when this was performed, the lope like a buzzard is actually referring to a dance that was done in the African American community, where they would just pretty much do a funny kind of walk, but it was very popular and a very popular dance. And so lope like a buzzard is just, you're just walking around doing your own little movement or little dance that goes around, okay? So let's take our recorders, and I'm going to try to just play that idea. Listen. Can you play that opening idea? Little Johnny Brown, lay your comfort down. Go. Nice. So that's a song. And where did that song live? In what pentatonic? Was it Do pentatonic? Nope, it was definitely La pentatonic because that's where we started things, we ended things. We used a lot of that La in there, that La pentatonic. Awesome. Hey, let's do a little movement. Speaking of doing another movement, Johnny Brown. Let's go back to our Sasha game. So grab somebody along with you, or just do it by yourself. Other way. You're on your own now. Clapping game. Hey, fun. I really like that one. It's super cool to do in a really big group of people. So if you have a big family, this is a really good one to do. All right, let's see what's next on our agenda here. Oh, that's right. We were going to go back and look at this thing. Now, you played me some really cool ideas last time into Seesaw, where you were making up that B section. Today, I want to expand that a little bit and see if we can get you to be a little bit more creative with our A sections. So just really quickly, let's clap the rhythm together. Here we go. Short, long, short, short, long. Excellent. And then we're going to articulate that rhythm just with our tongue and our clapping so that we can get that rhythm into our bodies. Here we go. Very nice. Let's pick a note. Which note should we play that rhythm on? Oh, I heard someone say Ray first. Love it. So Ray is 2 fingers down. And ready, set, and here's our Ray. What other note should we use? Do. Okay, here we go. Very nice. Thank you for that good articulation. So we're studying a little bit about La pentatonic. So that means that what is the most important of those 4 notes? Yeah, the La is, right? 3 and 2. Awesome. The second most important of that is Mi, this one here. Re, not so important. Do, ooh, don't want to live there because that's Do pentatonic. La is good and Mi is good. So I'm going to have you just kind of play around, experiment with the rhythm while I play a little beat to go along with it. So I'm going to play a little rhythm backup while you play whatever you'd like to of that rhythm using the 4 notes that you see there. And off you go. Okay, did you remember to end your idea on La? Oh, good, you did. Fabulous. So here's the deal. If it's too challenging for you to think about all 4 of those notes, maybe just pick 1 or 2 notes to kind of go back and forth between, and that might be a good way to start. Okay, remember our most important one is La. So we're going to do that one the most. Ready, set, and away you go. Okay, so as you're doing that, you know, we always talk about these strategies that we have. So we're going to look at 3 strategies today, mostly something back and forth and straight line. So those 3 strategies are what you're going to be using to play your song today. So as you're looking at the rhythm, which strategy would be best for that A idea? Short, long, short, do, they, do. Oh, okay. You could do that one. Yeah, did you start yours on la, mi? Oh, you started on mi. Okay. Oh, you started on la? Great. Okay, either one is fine. And then the second A is going to be the same strategy. What about for B? Which one of those strategies are you going to choose? Okay. Make sure it's different than the A idea. Okay, and then the last A is then going to... Oh, wait. Your first A didn't end on la. But that last A needs to end on la. So you need to go back over maybe and review or revise what your first A is going to do so that it ends on that la. Okay? So I'll put that back up in a minute. So when I put that back up, give it a minute to think about it. You can maybe noodle around a little bit if you want to see what you like. And then I'll give you a little introduction rhythm, and then you head on over and play what you were thinking about. Okay? All right, here we go, friends. And off you go. If you liked your idea, practice it again. If you weren't quite ready with it, let's try again. And off you go. Excellent. So you'll get a little bit more practice time to do that on your own. But what I'd like you to do in Seesaw this time is I actually want you to write down your idea. So once you're done practicing it and you've gone through it a couple times, you can either write it on the screen or you can write it on a piece of paper and hold it up to the camera and take a picture or a video of you doing it. Okay? So that'll all be in Seesaw for you to look at. And until next time, this is Mr. Weller saying, keep making music. I'll see you next time.